Changing gear now, Jews seeking Portuguese citizenship under the precedents of the right of return are now required to prove a significant connection to the country in order to obtain citizenship. Here to talk more about the changes and what they mean is Cohen Decker Pex and Brosh Law Office's manager of the European Immigration Department, Advocate Jordan Levy-Bogad. Thank you so much for being with us today.
Thank you.
All right, so my first question, can you tell us what's behind the change in Portugal's citizenship law?
Well, as you might know, a large number of people have received Portuguese citizenship. Last figures I read was about 23,000 people, but a large number of that group have not actually immigrated to Portugal. And so the Portuguese government wants to require that people have a true connection to the state.
So what proof, what proof do you have to present to prove that?
Well, so far, actually, we don't know. The government has passed this amendment that people will need to have a connection, but they have not specified what the connection will be. So we actually have a legal team in Portugal, and we are in contact with them on a daily basis, and it's still unclear. So it could be that the applicant needs to speak Portuguese, know the national anthem by heart. They might need to live there for a period of time or invest somehow. We don't know. It's all speculation.
So the process is really kind of up in the air right now then?
Yes, and we don't even know when the law will come into effect.
Oh, wow. All right, well, do you have reports of, the right to citizenship being rejected for illegitimate reasons?
Not from our office. We always do our homework. We work with a group of historians and genealogists to always make sure that our clients are indeed eligible. The only things that I've heard about people being rejected is if they have a police record that is punished more severely than it is in the country in which the crime was committed. Other than that, we have not heard of applications being rejected.
So how long has the process taken up until now, and how long do you project it to take?
Well, we still go based on the timelines we were told. So from the moment that all of the documents are submitted to the Portuguese authorities, approximately 6 months to a year and a half. So we have clients that have received in 6 months. We have clients that have received in a year or just over. So that's the time frame we have. That's still the time frame we give.
Is there like what's the difference maybe in the complexity of the case between those who take half a year and those who take 3 times that?
Well, it's just actually it's based on the district to which their application is routed, which unfortunately we have no control over. That's the government. That's where they route the application.
All right. So now we have some data that's showing that 79% of the Jews applying for this citizenship in Portugal were doing so from Israel. What do you think the reason for that is?
Well, an Israeli passport is not the strongest passport that one could hold. So many Israelis have various different reasons why they want this passport, whether it's to travel to countries where they would normally need visas, like the United States, for example. Many Israelis want to work or live, retire, or even study in Europe. And there's even still who they want to return to their roots. Their family was done an injustice 500 plus years ago, and for them, it's like a reconciliation.
All right, well, so if other people at home right now are interested in learning more about this process, how can they learn more?
Well, they can call us or email us. We're very good at getting back to requests very quickly, and we'll be happy to handle any cases.
All right, check out the Cohen Decker Pex and Brosh Law Offices for more information. Jordan, thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you.